Stop copy trading on eToro and do it yourself. So eToro has just launched a new feature called Stop Copy and Keep. So this gives copy traders more control of their copy trade investments, meaning they will have the option to stop copying the PI, but still hold all of the positions in their portfolio, giving you full control. So it's great news for investors, but not such good news for popular investors as they may lose copy traders. But I think this is a great feature for people who maybe started out copy trading but now have the confidence to trade themselves. Or maybe they disagree with how the PI is running the portfolio and think they can do a better job. So looking here, I just got an email yesterday about it. So what is Stop Copy and Keep? So it used to be that when you stop being another trader on eToro, you would automatically close all of the positions that were part of their portfolio. But Stop Copy and Keep allows you to stop copying, but still keep the copied positions and decide when you want to close them yourself. So you're giving you a lot more control over the copy trading process. So how does Stop Copy and Keep work? So you have the normal option that you had before, stop copying. So, and you have, when you click stop copying, this button will come up and give you the option to close all. And that will close all the positions, and all of the money will go back into your available balance. But you also now will have this keep all option. Okay, so remember, when you close all positions and the realized cash goes into your cash balance, just like before. So you will sell all the positions you've copied and the proceeds will be delivered into your available balance. And you click confirm, okay? But now also you have this new option, which is keep all. So you will stop copying this investor, but you will keep all your positions that you have copied. Okay, so you keep all of them positions in that portfolio. And what does this mean? This means that these positions will no longer mirror the investor's moves. So any stock, ETF, or crypto position will appear in the portfolio alongside your other holdings. So any uncommitted funds will be moved into your available cash. So any available balance that is on the copy trade portfolio, available cash, will be put back into your available balance. And so it's not a taxable event, so no asset will be sold. And you just click confirm there. So again, I think this is a great feature, giving you more control over your investments on eToro as a copy trader. So let me know in the comments what you think. Will you be using the Stop Copy and Keep your positions? And again, thank you for watching to the end, and like and subscribe for more eToro news.